Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for hands-on insights into the best home and garden gear. Today, we're talking about the best fluorescent grow light for indoor plants, the Aokrean Plant Grow Light with 48 full-spectrum LEDs. Whether you're nurturing succulents, herbs, or small flowering plants indoors, this product is built to give your greens the sunlight substitute they crave. Let's start with the design. The Aokrean Grow Light features a sleek, height-adjustable halo-style lamp that not only serves a functional purpose but also adds a modern aesthetic to your space. It comes in a 3-pack configuration, giving you flexibility to spread the lighting across different plant zones. The build includes a black shade and a sturdy plastic base that fits neatly on desks, windowsills, or plant stands. One clever feature is its dual installation method. You can either insert it directly into the soil using the spike or let it stand on its base. This makes it suitable for a variety of pot types and arrangements. Just keep in mind that the stand isn't freestanding on its own. It needs to be pressed down with a flower pot to remain stable. Now let's get into the lighting options. This grow light offers 3 lighting spectrums: white, warm white with red, and a full spectrum mix. These are designed to simulate different phases of sunlight, supporting your plant's needs from germination to flowering. You also get 10 adjustable brightness levels with a simple button press. This means you can fine-tune the intensity depending on your plant's light sensitivity and growth stage. For convenience, it includes a smart timer with 3, 9, and 12-hour auto cycle modes. Once you've set your preferred schedule, it automatically turns on and off each day. No need to remember or reset daily. This feature is especially useful for busy plant parents or when you're traveling for a few days. Another thoughtful design aspect is the adjustable height and angle. The telescopic pole can extend up to 26 inches, and the lighting head rotates 90 degrees. That means more light coverage across different plant heights and types. Whether you've got compact herbs or taller foliage, this light can be tailored to suit. Besides being practical, it also serves as a stylish decor element. The ring-shaped halo emits a soft, balanced glow that enhances the look of your indoor setup. Whether placed on a shelf, table, or windowsill, it blends right in while keeping your plants happy and healthy. In summary, the Aokrean 48 LED Full Spectrum Grow Light is a well-rounded choice for anyone serious about indoor gardening. It's functional, customizable, visually appealing, and packed with features that cater to both beginner and seasoned plant enthusiasts. If you're looking to boost your plant's growth without relying on sunlight, this is the light to go for. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product deep dives just like this. Happy growing, and we'll see you in the next one.